Hey guys, it's Nick from Snappa, and today I'll be showing you how you can repurpose one of our templates to fit your needs. So this is the featured image I used for my blog post this week called The Best Instagram Video Format You Need to Use. And I actually created this featured image using the template that we had in Snappa. The point of this video is to show you that you can recreate any Snappa template to fit your needs with just a few minor changes. So the first thing I did was I changed the icons to fit the needs of the post. So I deleted these ones. I then navigated to my graphics tab in the top left here. And I searched for the graphic that I want. So in this case, I just typed in Instagram. Now I have a variety of logos that I can choose from. So I'll click this one here. As it's on the canvas, I'm going to click on it, drag it over to where I want it to be, resize it, and then reposition it to where I want it to be as well. From here, I can also change the color of the logo. So instead of black, I'm going to change it to white. And then I can move it over. The next thing I want to do is change the text to match my blog post. So I'm going to type in the best up here. And then I want the keywords to be in the center of the blog post in large. So I'll type in Instagram video format. And I'm going to increase the size of the text box and actually decrease the size of the text a bit. Once I have that, I can reposition this to where I want it to be. And I'm going to have this left aligned, so it's going to stay on this side. And I can change the text down here, so it's going to be the best Instagram video format you need to use. And then once I have this, I'm actually going to right align it, decrease the size a bit, and then I'm going to reposition it on the right side under here. So now that I'm happy with my logo and text, I can begin to change the colors to fit my needs. So I'm going to start with the logo first. I'm going to change this from white to a more pinkish reddish. From here, I can change the background of the left side here. And I will change it from blue to yellow. And now I can change the background behind this, and I'm going to change this by navigating to the color picker, and I'm going to change the background color from this to the same color as this logo over here. We'll keep it simple, and I'm actually going to keep the text font white, although I could change it if I wanted to in the text picker here. But it looks good now. So just like that, I turned a Snappa pre-made template into a blog featured image that I can use for my own blog. So hopefully that helps, and if you're looking to create graphics within less than 3 minutes, head on over to snappa.com today.